Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to install VMware Tools, the small but powerful package that makes your virtual machine faster, smoother, and much easier to use. And then look at all the major benefits you get after installing it. Alright, let's get started. I already have my virtual machine running, and now I'm going to show you the exact steps to install VMware Tools. The first thing I need to do is go to the top menu bar inside VMware Workstation. Here, I'll click on VM, and from the drop-down, I'll choose Install VMware Tools. The moment I click it, VMware automatically inserts a virtual CD into my VM. Inside the guest operating system, whether it's Windows or Linux, I will now see a new disk appear. In my case, I can see a pop-up asking me what I want to do with this disk. If you see this window, click Run Setup.exe. If the pop-up doesn't appear, no problem, just open File Explorer, go to this PC, and double-click the VMware Tools CD. Now the installer opens. I'll click Next, then choose the Complete Installation option because it includes everything we need. Again, click Next, and now I'll click Install. The installation begins, and it may take a minute. During this time, the screen might flicker, that's normal. Once the installation finishes, the wizard will ask me to restart the virtual machine. I'll go ahead and click Finish, and then Restart Now. After the VM restarts, VMware Tools is fully installed. Now that VMware Tools is installed, here's everything that becomes better instantly. 1. Smooth mouse movement. Before installing VMware Tools, the mouse used to get stuck inside the VM. Now, the mouse moves smoothly between host and guest without pressing any keys. 2. Auto screen resize and full screen. Now when I resize the VM window, the display resolution automatically adjusts. Full screen becomes sharp and clean, no more tiny or stretched screens. 3. Drag and drop support. I can now drag files directly from my host computer into the virtual machine, and even drag items back from the VM to the host. 4. Copy and paste between host and guest. Text, images, links, everything can now be copied from the host and pasted inside the VM, and vice versa. 5. Shared folders. I can create a shared folder on my host computer and access it directly inside my VM, just like an extra drive. And that's how you install VMware Tools, and these are all the benefits you unlock after installing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.